In this video, I will show you how to create these animation effects using HTML and CSS. As you can see on my computer screen, I call this effect is wavy circle loading animation effects. So let's start to the code of this effect. Now I will open my text editor. It is Sublime Text. First create a new file and save this file with any particular name. I am giving index.html name for this file. Create another file for CSS and save this file with any name. I giving style.css for this file. Come back to the HTML file. Just type HTML and hit the tab button. This is our HTML structure ready for the work. Now integrate the CSS file in this HTML file and set the CSS path for it. Tap link, enter and type file name style.css. OK. Take a div with class loader inside body tag and close it. Now take a span tag inside loader, copy this and paste it 15 times. Open in the browser, showing nothing here. Come back to the CSS file. First reset the CSS, asterisk, margin 0 and padding 0. OK. Copy the body and paste it in CSS. Giving display flags, justify content center, align item center, minimum height 100 VH and background color is 89179E. Refresh the page. Only background color is showing here. Copy the loader class and paste it in CSS and style it. Position relative with 300 px, height 300 px, transform style, preserve 3D. Now copy the span tag and paste in CSS and style it. Giving position relate absolute, display block, border 2px solid, color FFF, box sizing, border box, border radius 50% and animation name is animate, timing is 3 seconds, is in out infinite. Now style these span tag one by one using CSS number of the child selector. So firstly select the first child using CSS and style it. Come back to the CSS file, copy this, paste, type nth child and select this first child 1 and style it. Top 0, left 0, bottom 0 and right 0. Open this in the browser and reload the page. This is our first span tag are showing. Come back to the CSS file and copy this same style for the second span tag. Just change the number to and change the value 10px. Reload the page. This is our second span tag are showing. Now same as we select all the 15 child one by one and just change the position value. Copy this, paste, change the child and position value 20px for third child. Again copy it, paste, child number 4, position value is 30px. Paste, child number 5, position value is 40px. Copy, paste, child number 6, position value is 50px. For child number 7, position value is 16px. Child number 8, position value is 17px. Child number 9, position value is 80px. Child number 10, position value is 90px. For child number 11, position value is 100. Child number 12, position value is 110. 13, position value is 120. 14, position value is 130px, and last 15 and position value is 140px. Reload the page. All child position is set. Now we animate this shape using CSS animation keyframes. Come back to the CSS file and set transform style in loader. Transform perspective 500px and rotate on the x-axis 60 degree. Reload the page. This shape is rotated 60 degree on x-axis. Come back to the CSS file. Copy this animation name, tap keyframes and paste animation name and set the animation. Start from the 0, transform, translate Z minus 100px, copy this and paste 50%, translate Z minus to 100px, same as for 100%. Reload the page. Okay, now this shape is animated. Now we add some animation delay in each span tag. Come to the CSS file and set animation delay. Start from the last child and set the animation delay. Animation delay 0 second. Child number 14, animation delay is 0.1 second. For child number 13, animation delay is 0.2 second. 12, animation delay is 0.3 second. Child number 11, animation delay is 4 second, 0.4. Child number 10, animation delay is 0.5 second. Child number 9, animation delay is 0.6 second. Child number 8, animation delay is 0.7 second. Child number 7, animation delay is 0.8 second. Child number 6, animation delay is 0.9 second. Child number 5, animation delay is 1 second. Child number 4, animation delay is 1.1 second. Child number 3, animation delay is 1.2 second. Child number 2, animation delay is 1.3 second. And child number 1, animation delay is 1.4 second. Remove this, it is already here. Reload the page and see. Yes, it's working now. Thank you so much for watching this, and please